What we do here is go back.
What kind of projects have you been working on using GibbsCAM?
You know, we started with a bunch of training pieces, getting blueprints and getting the dimensions on them and slowly developing based on geometry. We went into solid modeling eventually, and yeah, it's sort of what we've been working on now. So we started our own personal pieces now that's towards the end of the co-op, and they've been really fun, man. I know a lot of people have done the engraving, which is just geometry, but for mine I did solid modeling, which I'm pretty sure you can see there in the video. It's a bait fish mold. What kind of training have you done here at Can Solutions?
Well, throughout the couple weeks that we've been here, we've went through a couple of the books that they sell, like the Advanced CS and the Lathing book, as well as we've talked with Brandon, who helps us solve any problems that we might have with those books. We went through those books, we completed all the tutorials, and how have your skills developed since the beginning of the co-op?
Well, at the beginning of the co-op, I could barely do basic geometry, but now near the end of my co-op, I can do advanced coordinate systems. I can make whatever parts I need to make using blueprints or even by my own eye and measurements. It's just been a huge jump from basically learning nothing and knowing nothing to being able to make my own parts.